How to give shout out on happy birthday on your story on your Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get shout out happy birthday story on your Instagram for your friend. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Instagram. Make sure that your Instagram is updated to its latest version. So to give a shout out or to get a shout out on your Instagram story for a birthday of your friend, you will need to just go to the story section. So you can tap on the story on the top here, tap on your story, or you can simply swipe right. After you do that, you'll be on the story page. After you here, you will see an option called create. Now it's this one with a written there. Tap on it, and now you're on the stories creation page. Now what you need to do is you'll simply need to type it out here. You can type out happy birthday, or you can write your wishes. You can add your pictures to take it to the next level, or you can simply head over here, this option right here, the second one after the AA, and there you'll find happy birthday. Now to mention your friend, you can simply tap on the box here and then tap on the persons that you want to wish. So I'll just add my friend here. Now as you can see right here, it will automatically give you a previous story of you guys. So after you select a story that you want, you can set it up as you'd like and do it like this. You can even choose a better picture if you want to. So after you've done that, you can tap on your story on the bottom left corner and you will have added the story. So that is basically how you get shout out off on your happy birthday on your Instagram story, guys. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.